Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. And today I've come on to, to show you another easy card in my 100 easy cards series. So I'll just sit down so I can get my breath and probably have a wee swig of my cold coffee. So come away in and get comfy while I play. Well, I have got a composition in mind. So I've got these. I've got this another pack that I found. It was lying in a match. That's a white card base, a white layer, and I have just cut out 3 white squares from the Stylish Shapes dies, which I have here. I'll show you. It's the second smallest of the square dies I've used here. That is a great die set to have in your, well, words are not, words are in your stash, because in your craft room, because you've got nesting circles, nesting squares, and these nesting, I don't know what you call them, banners. Then you can use them for sentiments or whatever. And in actual fact, I did cut some of these out, so I don't know. I was more thinking to stamp the sentiment straight on the white layer. Yeah, I think I will. I cut a pile of these while I was on because they can be useful. But I think we'll just stick with the squares, pardon me. And I'm going to use the Spotlight on Nature leaf stamp. I'm going to use this foliage stamp. And I've got 3 shades of blue here. I've got Night of Navy, surprise, surprise, Blueberry Bushel and Boho Blue. And I'm going to stamp on the squares. I am going to... I might just change it up a bit and I will do sentiment with Blueberry Bushel. And I need a sentiment stamp. So I'm actually just going to do the thanks because it's something that I'm going to, you know, I'm needing some thanks. Always need thanks cards. So we'll do that. I'm going to put the card base to the side. You'll see I'm still using the pad that I used for my last card. And I'm just going to pop the thanks there. I love that. And I've done it at an artistic angle. I've done it squid. I'll just pop that up here just now. Then I'm going to use this leaf stamp on these little squares. I'm going to do one with each shade of blue. So since the Blueberry Bushel is open, it's a lush blue, isn't it? And then it will, oops, clean that off, and then we'll Boho Blues here, so we'll just use that next. I just don't think I got all that. Should have started with Boho Blue and then Night of Navy and then Blueberry Bushel, but never did, so hey. And then clean that off and I'll get Night of Navy. So it's just 3 blues, 3 shades of blue, easy on the eye palette, and they're analogous, I think, are they? Or it's almost monochromatic, this card, really. There we go. That's all the stamping in this card. Ooh, and I nearly stamped on myself there. With ink pad, I nearly hit my jumper. Not good. Right, so pop that there. And that really is, this is a really simple card. I'm just aware of my fingers. I'm just going to see if I can make sure the worst of that is off. If they're at least dry. Because white on white's not my best. And this is a simple put together. And again, this is actually quick and as well as easy. Again, good for batching. You don't necessarily have to have this as a layer. I just think it adds just a wee bit of va-va-voom. And then the squares are going on, but they'll all go in different directions. So that one can go that way. I'll do that one up. And that one that way. Now, to get them lined up is not easy. Sometimes it's better to do the two side ones, but then I wouldn't know if they're lined up that way. So I'm thinking I get myself a bit of card, scrap card. I'm just going to quickly cut this off, just to help me hold a straight line, because I'm not always the best at that. I think this will work. Yeah, that will be, well, I want it over that way a wee bit, but the light where the line is going to be fine. Okay, so you take the first one. Now you can do these with dimensionals. Should I do with them dimensionals, or I'll glue, again, glue it flat because it's going in the post. It's going to be light. Hold that there. Just put that space there. I'm going to take the middle one out the way. And you could put them up with dimensionals too. I've just decided that sometimes I'm keeping it easy and straightforward. Just letting the glue grab. There you go, that's not too shabby. I would say that also qualifies as a clean and simple card, as well as quick and easy. That's fitting into all the categories. And I still sneak my Night of Navy in there. So thank you for watching the video today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And this is going to be a series of 100 easy cards. So if you want to follow, just click the bell icon and then you'll get notified when I upload something else. Take care, everyone. See you soon.